Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I got the silver swag box for November. This is not the traditional box. This is a big box, y'all, a very big box. See how that is? So I did cut it open, but I haven't looked inside. I don't know any of the spoilers because I haven't seen any on Instagram. The theme is Grateful Gatherings. I think I saw one spoiler, that was it. But let me tell you a little bit about Silver Swag before we get started. This is a monthly subscription and it is $59.99, and that does include your shipping. And I have a coupon that will give you 40% off, a coupon code that I'll put in the description. And also, if you become a member, you get your own coupons for member exclusive discounts. So Smudge is wanting already to get in this box. Let me try to open it, Smudge. Look at how pretty this is. Oh, their attention to detail is incredible. Here comes another one. Okay, hang on, y'all. Look at how pretty that is. They're stickers, and they're, I'll show you, the paperwork they send is always made especially for the month. Smudge is getting right in. Oh, goodness sakes, y'all. All right, come on. Here are the cards that they send. They're both getting in. Oh, my goodness. I might not find anything in there. Silver Swag Box presents Grateful Gatherings. Okay, that is the card that is, this is the Stay Connected card. On this side, there are questions that you can ask your loved ones, you know, to get the ball rolling, talking, things like that. Gathered around the table, stories are told, memories are created, and love is abundantly grown. That is unknown, an unknown speaker. And then there are some questions on here. What is one dish or food item that you can't go without on Thanksgiving dinner? Do y'all have one? I would probably say sweet, candied sweet potatoes. Yeah, that's what I love. I love Thanksgiving dinner. I love everything about it. And here is another card. And look how pretty that is. Just on point. Everything's on point. Thanks for being a part of Silver Swag. And this card tells us what's inside. And also, I just want to tell you a little bit about Silver Swag, in case you haven't seen it on my channel before or haven't seen it anywhere else. This box was created by two sisters, by Brandy and Ashley, and they created this box out of love for their aunt when COVID all started. And they've continued the box, and it is just a fantastic box. You can send this to yourself. You'd be so happy. You can send this to loved ones. They would be so happy. This box reminds me so much of family. It's just such a family created box. So this is what I have to look forward to right here. Is he's in there, and Camille tried to get in there with him. So I'm just gonna have to grab stuff out and hope for the best. Let me see. I see something right here. Ooh. Let me show it to you and then I'll read what it says. This is the what I did see on Camille. What I saw on the spoiler. This and there are different flavors. These are red wine and rosemary gourmet snackables. So includes crackers, cheese, and preserves. Everything you need is in this kit. How cool is that? Oh my goodness. Okay. I thought it was just crackers from what I saw. So this is called Crackerology Artful Appetizers. And let me read what it says about it. It says, this kit is the perfect shareable snack. Includes red wine and rosemary crackers, plus cheese and fruit spreads. That is incredible. Like I said, I thought it was just crackers. So when you open it up, there's a little card inside that tells you about Crackerology. Cards and crackers. This is the coolest little thing. I've never seen it before. And here is what you get. You get a lovely crackers. These are, what I say, red wine and rosemary. I did see a different package on Instagram, so they must come in different flavors. And then this is, you just take it with you. You can have a gourmet little snack. You've got a little scoop here. Isn't that, this is a little wood scoop. And we have a little bit of white cheddar gourmet cheese spread. That is so cool. And Dickinson's has the best preserves. This is red raspberry. So that is so neat. I love that. I like that kind of stuff. That's what I live on, or, you know, cheese, crackers, things like that. I'm just reaching in because smudge is sitting on everything. And Camille is now on the cards. Okay, let me see what this says. All right, the Crackerology. This kit is the perfect shareable snack. Includes red wine and rosemary crackers plus cheese and fruit spreads. I may have already said that, y'all. And maybe there aren't other flavors. I thought that there were. But this is what I got out next year. This is called the Grateful Game. This is very pretty. Look at this beautiful packaging. So let's see what it says about that. This is by C.R. Gibson. C.R. Gibson is a stationery company that I really love. I've got a lot of things from C.R. Gibson. It's a great company. This game is super handy for your Thanksgiving table. What will you learn about your loved ones? Well, let's take a quick look in there and see. Okay, when you open it up, a bunch of cards in there. Let's see. Okay, so, hey, this is nice. This is really like their conversation cards, you know, that Camille is sitting on, that we get each month, the Stay Connected card. But it's a bunch of cards. So whenever you need to strike up a conversation with your family and it's not going anywhere, look at this first one. Says, what is your favorite holiday memory? And then you can talk about it at the table. And let's see. So that card, this is the back of that card. And then some of the cards have backs that look like that. This one says, did you ever have an imaginary friend? What was their name? This one, okay, it's just if you had $100 to spend to help people, how would you spend the money? And who have you learned the most from so far? These are really great conversation starters. Wonderful. That is a nice thing to have. I think I might bring that with me to Thanksgiving. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can get anything else out of the box. I got everything out of the box so that he could go back in. So next up, we have bath salts with rose petals. Oh, how beautiful that is. Look at that, y'all. There are 6 vials. It says measurable difference bath salt set. Treat yourself with a relaxing rose-scented bath. There are 6 bath salts in the set, so they're also great for gifting. Isn't that beautiful? Let's see if I can open it and I'll show you. It's taped. I did have a scissor here, but let me cut the beautiful label. And here, I'll show you. See, it has a label here. I cut that, and we'll open it up and smell one of them. So you can do so many things with this. Give them to people at your Thanksgiving meal. Oh, it smells wonderful. It smells like roses. I love the smell of roses. So they're packed in here very nicely. I can't get one out. Let me try. There, I can see rose. Oh, that's good. They're actually sort of glued in with some of that sticky stuff, which is good, so that they won't fall out, because this is glass. This is gorgeous. You can see the rose petals in there and the salts, and then this nice stopper. It smells wonderful of roses. It smells wonderful. So that is very nice. You know, if you have a few ladies there, you can give one to each at your Thanksgiving meal. How nice would that be? Or just keep them for yourself, because you may need to relax after your Thanksgiving meal when everybody goes home. Okay. Okay. They are just in my way here, y'all. All right. Next up, we have this beautiful tea towel. All right, Camille. There are these squigglies in the box, and she's all about it. She's all about it. Look at this gorgeous towel. This is beautiful. See, these are a little stuck on it, but I can get them all out. This in the pretty fringe. Can you see that is a pumpkin? This says cozy on it, and underneath there is a pumpkin that is sewn on there. Isn't that beautiful? This towel is beautiful. It says Audrey's pumpkin tea towel. Make sure your kitchen is fall ready with this cute but subtle pumpkin decor. Pumpkin decor. What's wrong? My voice is, I don't know. I'm not speaking well today. They get me crazy. So look at how gorgeous this towel is. This is all sewn around the edges, beautiful fringe, and this is 100% cotton made in India. This is thick. This is one of those fabulous towels that you would use if you make bread at home and you put it in a bowl to rise, you put a towel over it. This would be perfect for that kind of a thing. This is beautiful with that pumpkin on there. Isn't that so pretty? That would go in any decor. And then we have this beautiful package. Let me move that away for a minute. Look at this, y'all. Okay, so this is a cheese spreader. Look at how gorgeous they did this. We have a charcuterie. How do you say that? Everybody says it different. If I look at how it's spelled, charcuterie board. That's how I would say it. So this is beautiful. Look at the wood block and everything. It says on the back, IHIonline.com, made in India. Look at the beautiful feet. And then this is felt so that it doesn't slip. Look at that gorgeous wood. This is stunning. So that is your charcuterie board. And it says this high quality wooden charcuterie board is perfect for all your holiday appetizers. And then, you know, you can use this all the time. You don't have to just use it for your appetizers. You can put this in the middle of your kitchen table and put your salt and pepper and things on there. It's gorgeous. It's the kind of thing you would want out all the time for people to see because the finish is spectacular. Even the bottom is gorgeous. And there's the sides of it. Beautiful. And then it was wrapped with this beautiful ribbon. And this, y'all, if y'all know me by now, I'm all about leaves. I love leaves. And look at how gorgeous this cheese spreader is. This is from India, Handcrafts Incorporated. Same as the charcuterie board. Am I saying that right? Anyway, pair your charcuterie with this adorably autumnal spreading knife. Isn't that beautiful? That looks like an oak leaf, I would say, right? Oak leaves go, yeah, up maybe. Isn't that gorgeous? And how beautiful that'll be on your board with a cheese, a nice cheese ball and some crackers and whatever, maybe some fruit and whatever. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Grateful gatherings. Also, what came in the box is this: how to build a charcuterie board. There are 4 basic components: cheese, meats, carbs, and extras. So, and then they give you some ideas. Cheese, isn't this the star of the show? Pick a few types based on the size of your board. Try to balance harder aged cheeses with soft, creamy ones. So it gives you some hints of how to do it. And then on the other side, it is a recipe for cranberry baked brie. What perfect timing for that recipe. So you take a wheel of brie, you have your puff pastry dough, cranberry sauce or jam, and some chopped pecans or walnuts. And bake that for 20 to 25 minutes. And that will go beautiful on your board. And then you'll use your spreader. Wow, this is all about gathering. What a wonderful, wonderful box. As always, this box always hits it out of the park for me, always. Let me just show you again. I have all my little cards. So let's see, we have the gorgeous board. Y'all, this is heavy. It's beautiful. And then we have this spectacular cheese spreader. And next we have the red wine and rosemary gourmet snackable crackerology. This is the most fun thing. This is a take it with you snack, charcuterie snack. Then we have the gorgeous tea towel. Oh my goodness. You have everything you need here for a beautiful evening. And then the Grateful game. This is so much fun. And the beautiful bath salts. Now, where did those go? Here, with Camille right under me. It's hard to find anything. The beautiful bath salts as well. So this box is chock full as always. And what a gorgeous representation of Thanksgiving. Grateful gatherings. Thank you so much to the lovely Brandy and Ashley. They are just spectacular. I mean, how they come up with these, and they do. Every single month, they have another wonderful theme, and they're always spot on. And, you know, look at, they take all the time to make these beautiful cards for us. Beautiful. Thank you so much, ladies, for sending this box over to me. I love it. I love it. And y'all use my code and go get 40% off your first box. I'll have all that in the description. And thanks for stopping by, y'all. If you want to see any of this closer up, I'll have pictures on Instagram. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Count your blessings.